This is going to be our weekly segment of a tip to enhance, I believe is a good word there, your camping experience. My man Trey here, I told y'all already, he's the gadget guy, has turned me on to these quick connects for your water hose. So now I'm gonna turn the video over to him and let him show you how to hook this up and then really make your, I guess your whole experience hooking water up, stuff like that, a lot quicker.
Exactly. So what it does, it's just gonna speed up your time of hooking up flush lines or water lines or whatnot. So, you know, we've already got this side installed on here, but
you can see there, quick connect. So here's gonna show you.
Just buy your little pack of quick connects and screw that end on there like that. Get it good and tight. And then go to your blank tank line here.
So you can see he's screwing that end into that right there where that blank tank flush is. And once it's screwed in there, and this should help if you have any type of leaks or something like that, it may help with that problem, right, Trey?
Yeah. And so now when you wash out your tank, instead of having to screw that line in there or not, just take it, pop it right on there. So now clean it out, and then boom, pop it right off.
And not to mention, we got this handy dandy hose here at Walmart. It should take theoretically up more, should take up less space in the camper, right?
Yes.
I know it took me a few minutes to say that.
And your tank flush.
And this will be your finished product. And what we did was we put them on the tank flush here and the water line here. And what I'm gonna end up doing is buying another pack. I think they're only like a single pack, probably wasn't but $2, just so I can have another fitting to put on my other tank flush. And that way when you're camping, you just boom, boom, and you're done. So just another tip from We're Camping. So here we are today, folks. And if you recognize us, we're still wearing the same thing we was in the video we made about 12 minutes ago on the quick connects. We're going to switch over to a zero gravity hose. If a lot of you camp out there, you know how this rubber hose, show them that white hose, Trey. You roll that devil up right there one time, it never comes unrolled. It looks just like that all the time, unless you're at a park where you got 40 foot to stretch it out.
Or it's 120 degrees.
Or it's 120 degrees. So today on Brandon's trailer, we're going to convert this to this zero gravity hose and see how he likes it. If he likes it, then me and Trey will go buy some, but if he don't like it, I guess we'll stick with what we got. And you can also notice Trey's putting quick connects on here like we did on the hoses a while ago. I'm trying to follow along, but he's about to make everybody dizzy.
Making everybody draw here.
So let's just see how this does. We really do like these quick connects. It makes it just so much easier. This hose should take up a lot less space.
Right on the,
All right, let's see. All right.
Get the pressure.
No leaks, it doesn't look like. And really what that reminds me of is a fire hose water hose.
That went in there deep.
So you probably just throw that hose in the dumpster. They usually give them away with campers.
Where at?
And as you'll have with any plumbing, a near disaster with a small leak.
Got it all?
Got it all.
What's leaking, Trey?
Right full of air. That may be why it's leaking. Damn. Oh,
Shoot. Edit that, Trey.
That's gonna have to be edited. Ain't very much water coming out of that thing. Here, let me turn that on. Let's check this out. It looks like they kind of shortchanged me on my flow. Pressure.
Is that enough pressure to run the shower and stuff? All right, well there you go. We're learning something new.
Check, make sure that washer ain't clipped or nothing.
This is great footage here, guys. You can see what it looks like when you have a water leak or a little troubleshooting. Once you get another washer.
Yeah, this green one may be better. This is one from the Home and Ranch out there in West Monroe. Great little old place. Get anything you want.
Does it matter which way it goes?
Wrinkle up.
Wrinkle up.
For those you don't know, when you look at these little washers, they got a flat side on one side and they got a wrinkle on the other side. Put the flat side towards the fitting.
In case you forgot, it's flat side to the fitting.
To the fitting.
Which side?
Flat side to the fitting. Wrinkled side to the hose. It just don't sound as good. All right, we're gonna try
Wrinkled
it again
side to the threads.
for you folks at home.
That didn't sound good.
See, I'm just not getting it tight enough.
Looks like it's bottoming out.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I mean, Trey, you got it all the way.
Like. Yeah.
You big candy, he done turned it 3 turns. Good. So it won't come out unless that fittings hooked up.
That's right.
Dog.
Look there.
You learn something every day.
Yeah, I mean, you can unplug. So essentially, you can unplug that water from your trailer and still be on.
It's
And
just
it-
another foot. It's just another valve.
Yep.
And it
Huh?
won't never drain out of the hose.
You got the water on now,
Mm-hmm.
so no leak.
No leak.
There you go, guys, girls. Thank you for tuning in to another segment of Helping Your RV. All right, so here's where we're at.
All them women out there, Super Stud, is at the house. You know, that old young stud, he at the house by himself with his own ride. So
That little young stud. Look at him.
they know what they're gonna be getting. Poor little thing.
Look at him. He ain't gonna know how to act.
Matter of fact, he stayed there by himself, he said,
That's what he made live, Brandon.
until it got dark.
Yeah.
When it got dark, you know, the little tail got scared.
So what we're doing this morning, we're cooking breakfast. Trey's gonna go get this drone we was telling you about.
This latest,
That's what, yeah, gadget.
his latest gadget,
Corey's already up over there. He's awfully griping.
already.
Well,
Been griping.
we knew that was gonna happen. You can see he walked out there looking like old grizzly bear coming out of hibernation, didn't he?
Did y'all keep it down?
So here comes Trey. So this is what we're really waiting on.
This sucker done contacted the LCC and got a permit.
Ain't no lie. He done got this drone. We're gonna show y'all what this drone looks like. So we're gonna unpack today for y'all. What we're gonna do today, the girls are gonna go to El Dorado, and we're gonna have fun with this thing. Ain't that right, Trey?
That's it.
There he is.
We're going.
Man of many words. So we'll be right back.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Yeah, there's your hook. That's it. So we're gonna get this all set up and ready, and we're gonna have it. We'll let Neely film him flying it. I gotta go back to bacon. My boy's got this drone. He's like a kid at Christmas all of a sudden. He's got it somewhere. I don't need. Where's it at? Huh?
Right there on the road.
Oh, I couldn't find it. There it is, right there. See them swarm of bees pull up, and you could dang near do a RV review, a partial review off of that drone footage. Uh oh, what's it doing now? So now he's gonna have it follow us. We're gonna see what this thing looks like. Got me. We're gonna at least lose about 5 pounds this morning. He's so excited. Is it? You see it behind me there? It's right behind me. And it ain't gonna hit me, is it?
Nah.
Where's it at?
It's right behind you.
If that don't make you nervous hearing that walk up. You know, a lot of people in the country will shoot these things if they just show up to them. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do now? You put it in follow me mode. So look at him.
It's gonna spin around.
Yeah, I think this boy ain't excited right here over his drone. Look at it. It's making a loop around it. And if he's a good enough editor, he can do like a side by side or a flash and back or something. If that don't make you think they ain't herding cattle.